Singapore si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos para sa 3 araw na working visit. Tiniyak naman ang ating embahada na magiging ligtas ang Pangulo sa kabila ng pagtaas ng COVID-19 cases doon. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal Julie Baiza.
Reaffirmation o patuloy na pagpapatibay ng relasyon ng Pilipinas at Singapore. Yan daw ang target ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa 3 araw na working visit dito sa Singapore.
Matapos ang state visit sa Brunei, Singapore naman ang bibisitahin ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Kabilang sa mga aktibidad ng Pangulo ang bilateral meeting kina Singapore President Tharman Shanmugaratnam at bagong Prime Minister Lawrence Wong. Ayon kay Philippine Ambassador to Singapore Medardo Macaraig, pagpapatibay ng relasyon ng dalawang bansa ang pangunahing layunin nito.
President Tharman and President Marcos have not met, and then of course Prime Minister Lawrence Wong has just been Prime Minister last May 15. So there will be meetings between them, bilateral meetings. But I do believe that it will be a reaffirmation of our close ties, the reaffirmation of our of what we have agreed, our commitments, and of course they will also try to move forward with some of our some proposals on both sides.
Tiniyak naman daw ng bagong Prime Minister na walang masyadong magbabago sa foreign policy ng Singapore sa ilalim ng bagong liderato. Halos parehas lang din daw yung gabinete sa ilalim ni Prime Minister Wong. May mga niluluto rin na agreements ang Pilipinas at Singapore sa iba't ibang sektor gaya ng health at carbon credit o yung pagpopromote ng sustainable projects na makatutulong sa job creations, energy security at reduction ng environmental pollution. Nabanggit din ni Ambassador Macaraig yung magiging keynote speech ng Pangulo sa International Institute for Strategic Studies o IISS, Shangri-La Dialogue at ang kahalagahan niyan.
You don't invite somebody here to be the keynote speaker, and that the country he represents not being important, you know? So it's also something. Last year it was Prime Minister Albanese of Australia, and previous to that the Prime Minister of Japan. You cannot invite somebody just because he is head of state. I think there's also some importance to why the head of state of that country is being invited.
Kabilang sa mga makakasama ni PBBM sa pagdalo sa IISS, sina Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro at National Security Advisor Eduardo Anyo. Mobile Journal Julie Baiza po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.